Hey guys, how are you? This is Indira. I'm sorry, I've been working here for a long time. And yeah, so I am showing you here. I was oiling this machine the other day. And so this is how it works. It works fine. It looks good in here. So yeah, it's such a great machine. I love it, and it's really old, but um I just got it for $5, and it was almost like, nobody really wanted it, and I just grabbed it. So somebody said that the person that gave it to me said that it only needed like oil, and it should have been okay. But yeah, so it works fine, and it's just it's really good. So I just bought like some bobbins. Um, I got like 30 of them, and she gave me like 10, I think, too, like, but they're mixed in here. And but yeah, so it's a great machine. So all I needed was like oil the machine, and I love it. I mean, I didn't have to spend a lot of money for it, and I just in case, I get some help, um you know that person is gonna have another machine, to work. And so yeah, so thank you guys, and for watching. And I have this one too, like dressmaker, and I have this one right here, singer. I always wanted to get a singer like this, but yeah, so it's right here, and it's just really smooth. And so I these are some attachments that they came with it. So again, these machines, I got in in an auction. So they were really cheap, and they were not people were not bidding. And so it just, I got a really good deal for it, and they work fine. So I had to order these wood cases right here because the machine didn't come with it. So I ordered them on eBay. So somebody makes these ones on eBay, and he posted them, and I got two of them like here. So they're great. So it's just easy to put on, and yeah, so it's great, um so it has some attachments, if I gray attachments. And yeah, this dressmaker as well. I do have like a Fleetwood, which is almost identical, but it's like a different um brand. It's just like the same shape as the one that I use in the room, like I saw at nighttime. So in my previous video, I show you how, I use it at nighttime. So I had it in so I had this one, and I just wanted to have a singer like this shape, like the antique ones. And I just got to get one. But yeah, so it's great. So these ones are more like for home use, like the sewing machines, like more for um sewing the scrunchies, like making the scrunchies too. And so I have the other ones for to make the leather products. And yeah, so I have those for really heavy, materials. So I pretty much have everything now. And recently I got some elastic as well. So I got two sizes elastic, and so I just got them today. So I'm happy that I, because with all this mail, like being delayed and all that, so it has been not really good. But I got him today, and I'm really happy because of that. And so I'm just pretty much ordering more, like before it was just like I was ordering a little bit at a time, but now it's just like more, I'm adding more material and buying more of the same material, so it just yeah, thank you, you guys, for your support and just buying my products too. And yeah, so how I said, like a lot of my customers have been subscribed to my channel, and thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I'm here trying to um, give you some feedback and how everything is going, some updates, and I'm just trying to you know just clean these machines now, and so they were like a great buy, so I couldn't just let go. They were like super cheap, and they're like great machines, and so I'm really happy for it. And so hopefully we'll be using them soon. And yeah, so again, this is Indira here with Green Petal, uh, Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you next week. And please keep watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.